Have you ever noticed no matter how hard you push, certain financial results seem just out of reach? Or maybe when you do reach a new level of success, something pulls you back down like an invisible force. What if I told you it's not the market, the economy, or your circumstances holding you back? It's actually you. Hi, I'm Edward Terry, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal why your subconscious identity is the gatekeeper of your income and how unhealed beliefs from the past quietly control your financial ceiling, and how you can start shifting today to unlock the wealth that's waiting for you. Now, T. Harv Eker said, "It's simple arithmetic. Your income can only grow to the extent that you do." But here's the deeper truth. Your income doesn't grow because you deserve it. It grows because you've become the person who can hold it. You see, money is energy, and energy expands or contracts to match who you believe you are. If you subconsciously see yourself as someone who's comfortable but not wealthy, guess what? You'll find ways to make just enough and no more. Even if you win the lottery, studies show that most winners lose it all within 5 years. Why? Because their identity didn't expand to match their newfound wealth. Here's the truth that most people avoid. You don't earn more, you expand into more. Your income catches up to the version of you that believes they are worthy of wealth, leadership, and opportunity. So the question isn't, how can I make more? It's, who do I need to become to sustain more? And here's your challenge. This week, take inventory of your inner dialogue. When you think about wealth, success, or raising your rates, do you feel discomfort? Does a voice whisper, "I'm not ready," or "I don't know enough yet"? And here's how you shift. Catch that voice. Don't fight it, observe it. Then write down this question. What would the wealthiest, most successful version of me believe right now? Write their answer and act as if it's already yours. Money isn't something you chase. It's something you attract by becoming the person who can hold it. Shift your identity and the numbers will follow. Because when you grow, your income has no choice but to rise with you. And if you'd like to learn more about wealth, remember to pre-register for my upcoming community. There's a link below where I post deeper dive videos on this and other topics I talk about here, and you'll get opportunities for live Q&A sessions with me. Until then, check out this playlist on money and wealth. Dream, dare, rise.